Hey, IFP, can we talk?
Let's do it.
Yeah, well, I thought maybe if I understood better, what you're good at, what you're not so good at.
Such as?
Okay, say I wanted to mark up a PDF in a lesson I'm teaching.
Well, that's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, open the PDF in the app. Then open the capture tool. Now, let's capture that first page. Then, go back to the whiteboard. And now, we're going to import that sucker.
That's 5 steps.
Easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then if I wanted to go to page 2?
That's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again.
Good talk.
Anytime.
Does your interactive display have a problem with PDFs? Smart Displays with iQ can import entire PDFs in one step, so you can turn the page on clunky workflows. Learn more at smarttech.com/compare.